Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how you can create a folder on Telegram. And we will do this by going to our Telegram application and from here go to settings. Then when we arrive at settings you have the option chat folder, so please tap on that. After that tap on create a folder and now we have a lot of options that we can choose. Alright, first create a name. Business is for the best option right now. And then we can add chats to this. So I want to add the help me chat, and now if I do done, I just added that chat to that. Alright, I can give this a color if I want that, so give it blue. Oh no, then we need Telegram Premium, so that's not necessary for now. And now if we do create, we just created a chat folder, and now if you tap on that, you will see the chats that are included in this folder. Alright, this is exactly how it works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.